What do you like about Superfan that is not in another fan?
Other fans claim eco-friendliness through energy savings. But Superfan built India's first BLDC fan to save the environment. Their manufacturing, packaging, supply chain, infrastructure, everything has been eco-friendly since their launch. It is a fan with a purpose.
To produce 1 unit of electricity, about 1 kilogram of CO2 is emitted. So now if you reduce 1 unit every day, that's like you are reducing the amount of CO2 emitted into the atmosphere. So this is like doing something good for all of us.
In our home, nothing should end up in the landfill. That's why we chose Superfan Perest. It's easy to recycle when the time comes.
At Superfan factory, we do something more. Even when Superfan is made, a lot of electricity is saved, and also we take some activities which save the environment also.
I respect companies that don't just assemble locally, but build a local supply ecosystem with purpose.
I heard that Superfan prefers Indian suppliers. That's real make in India, and I like that.
Reliability. Open a Superfan drive and you see branded components. It's built to last and built to be repaired. अक्सर मुझे कलर्स और परफॉर्मेंस के बीच में कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ता है, लेकिन सुपरफैन के 30+ कलर्स के साथ मेरे क्लाइंट्स के लिए कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं है.
Superfan has been setting trends rather than following others.
We like that.
India's first BLDC fan. 2012ல லான்ச் ஆனப்ப தான் வாங்கினேன். இப்போ வரைக்கும் ஒரு ப்ராப்ளமும் இல்லாம ஓடுது. தமிழ்நாட்டு கண்டுபிடிப்பு.
So now it is better to change to a super efficient solution like BLDC fans.
Superfan, India's first BLDC ceiling fan.